Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 27th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir closed up 1 cent, 0.05%. We closed at 1894. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Green candle. So we closed at a higher price than the one that we opened at. This is nice. And again, today we tried to break 1910. So 1910 is a really tough resistance because we have been trying to trade above it since December 13th. We tried today and we broke today outside, well, above 1910, but then we're squished back down by the sellers. This is a little bit disappointing, and we had this little bit of a bullish trend right here that got broken, but it's not super bad because if I do a line right here, so we are still above where we were on December 22nd in terms of the low of the day. So at least we seem to be going sideways a little bit. So sideways is better than going down, but it's not as good as going up. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. The first candle of the day, a nice green candle, very healthy green candle. So it seems like somebody is buying Palantir at the beginning of the day. Look at what happened December 22nd. Boom, nice big candle here. Here at 9:30 on the 23rd, not so much, but we also see it here on the 21st. So boom here and boom here also today. So nice green candle, and then the stock slowly started going down. What can I say? Okay. The thing that I am a little bit worried about is that stochastic is going below 60. When stochastic is over 60, then a stock should go up. When it's below 60, a stock should go down. So this is telling me a little bit that the stock might be going down. So of course, what is more important than the stochastic are the support and resistance. So we have this support at 1864. So it would be nice if we at least stay above this. So we would be a little bit more, a little bit higher than the middle of this little bull channel. We are also above this mid-channel line here, mid-channel trend line, because we are in a descending channel right here, and the middle of that channel is this line right here. This line right here, which should be now green. Maybe the stock is just resting on this one before going above again. I don't know what is going to happen, and nobody knows what is going to happen, but let's look at this support line right here. This support line, and let me give you a number. So 1886 tomorrow at the beginning of the day, going down to 1880. So let's say 1880 is where this support is at. So there's a possibility that we bounce on that one here, or we have 1864 also that we can use. If we break 1864, then I'm going to have to say that we might be going down to 1782. So watch for 1880 and watch for 1864. The rest of the indicators are not too bad. MACD crossing over bearish. Okay, MACD is an indicator that changes its mind a lot, so I'm not too surprised about this. So I think that there is still hope. There is still hope for Palantir. Going back to the daily chart, let's see, stochastic at 31, so we don't see any move on the daily chart. RSI is plateauing a little bit. We have MACD that crossed over bullish, so that's one indicator that is giving us a good sign here, and that's that. We still have to be patient and wait for Palantir to start moving. The good news is that we are still making a higher low, so that's the good news here. And we have some people that are paying more than 1910 on December 22nd and also today. So some people are just willing to buy at whatever price, and they seem to buy at market, and they are pushing the market up, and then the market just comes down. So at least we have these little wicks that are above 1910. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.